Hello everyone. If you are a trader using a prop firm like Funded Next, you will want to know how to set up your RisePay account for payouts. Now let's get started. First, head over to the RisePay website and sign up for a new account. You will need to provide your basic details and verify your identity. After registering, log into your RisePay dashboard, navigate to the Link Accounts section, and select your prop firm from the list. Enter the necessary credentials to link your trading account with RisePay. Next, you will need to link and verify your bank account to receive payouts. RisePay may send a small deposit to your account for a verification purpose. Once your bank account is verified, set up automatic payouts from your prop firm. You can do this by selecting the Payouts tab in your RisePay account and configuring the payout frequency. Finally, confirm the setup and monitor your payouts through the RisePay dashboard. You will receive notifications when funds are transferred to your bank account. And that is how you set up a RisePay account for prop firm payouts. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.